Dear students, welcome to my channel. My name is Krishna, your BBS trainer. In this video, today we are going to learn how to calculate the column main reinforcement from the first floor level to mid of the second floor level. Here few rods will goes from mid of the first floor level to mid of the second floor level, and few rods will go from first floor level to mid of the second floor level. How I will explain you. So just see the AutoCAD drawing, the column reinforcement. So this is the details what we are going to learn today. So in the previous class we have learned the column reinforcement from this ground floor level to this mid of first floor level. Now we are learning from this mid of first floor level to second floor level few rods, and from this first floor level to mid of second floor levels few rods. So here I am taking the you see the column. First I will go to the Excel sheet and we will clear and we prepare the Excel sheet for this one. So how means, you see, as usual we have created the last from ground floor to first floor sheet is there, no? The same sheet you can create one more copy of the same file, and change that file name as column rods from first floor to mid of second floor. So this is the column rods. One more file I have created for the present from first floor level to second floor. This ground floor to first floor we have finished. I am changing that tab color into green. So now here, and again you can change this address bar. This heading is there, no? Here also you can change it. Column reinforcement quantity from first floor level, from first floor level to mid of second floor level, or you can write in the bracket first to second. So this is for also your understanding purpose. So now this is the C1 column. So there is no C1 column detail over here. The C1 column is terminating over here. The C1 column is not going in the first floor. C1 column is terminated in the first floor level itself. So the now C1 column will not come. Now we are going to C2 column. In this C2 column, you see 14 number of 12 rod is there. In this 14 number of 12 rod, only 9 number of rod is going continuous, and another 5 rods are additional rods. Okay, you just go to the Excel sheet, remove this column number 1 details and make it serial number 1 C2, and in this C2 also there is no curtail rods, only continuous rods are there. Out of this continuous rod, 9 rods are going up, and 12 mm dia rod, and the ground floor height. And one more thing we have not changed over here, and here also you have to change. This is the, instead of ground floor, it is first floor height, and this is second floor height, and this is rods below second floor, and this is rods above second floor. You see, only these 4 column you have changed, and this heading you have changed. All the rest of the tabular column is same as like the previous column rods from the ground floor to first floor. So only floor levels we have changed over here. So here this is the after C2 column continuous rods, column number 1, 9 number of rods are going here, and dia is 12, and this first floor height is 3100, but this first floor height is 3100, but here you see you have to check the first floor height is 3 meter, and second floor height also 3 meter. This is available in our architectural drawing. Okay, you have to go as per this architectural drawing. You have to write the first floor height, and second floor height is 3 meter, and rods below second floor is 0.4 times of first floor height, and rods above second floor is 0.6 times of second floor height, and 1 LD for the below rod lapping, and cutting length is the sum of these 3, and total length, unit weight, total weight as it is in the formula. Next is additional rod. Only additional rod we are going to take. I am removing this additional rod. In this additional rod we have to bifurcate into longer rod and short rod. You see, out of 14, so 9 rods have been gone and remaining 5 rods is there. These 5 rods will be continue from the first floor level to mid of second floor level. So this is the 5 rods. Out of 5 rods I am going to take, this is the number of column, this is the, out of 5 rods I am taking 3 rods are longer and 2 rods are shorter, and dia is 12. I am going to change this cell color into white, and the floor height is 3 meter, and the floor height is 3 meter, and the second floor height is 3 meter, and the rods below second floor is, this is totally first floor height, how much is there, that much height has to be taken, and the rods above second floor is 0.4 times of second floor height and 0.6 times of second floor height bar the staggering, and the lap length is as per the 12 dia is 350. This 350 mm will go below first floor level concrete for the lapping, means for the plantation. Next C2 column is over, then we'll go to C3 column. What C3 column detail is there? You see, similarly C3 column, two type of rod is there, 420 and 14 number of 16. You see, out of this 420, you see already previous 620 was there, in that 620 420 is coming continuous. These 4 rods are going to continuous in this column, this 20 dia. So there is no curtail rods, remove all the curtail rods, and in the continuous rod, 1 number of column, 4 number of continuous rod is there, 20 dia. First floor height is 3 meter, second floor height is 3 meter, and rod below second floor is 0.4 times, rod above second floor is 0.6 times, and the lap length 575 as per the 20 dia. And continuous rod, the remaining continuous rods are how much? And the remaining continuous rods are 16 dia, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 number, 7 number of continuous rods, 16 dia is there, 7 number of 16 dia, and the floor height is 3 meter, and second floor height is 3 meter, rod below rod above, and lap length as per the 16 dia 475. Then there is the additional rod. In this additional rod, longer rod and shorter rod. So how much longer rod is there and how much shorter rod is there? So only additional rods are there, 14 number of 16. Out of 14, 7 number as continuous rod, and remaining 7 numbers are additional rod, which is starting from the first floor level. So in this 7 numbers, column numbers are 1 1. Out of 7 number, 4 taking longer and 3 taking shorter, and dia is 16, and first floor height is 3 meter, first floor height is 3 meter. I am changing this color, cell color as white, and this is second floor height, and the rod below second floor is first floor height, and this is also first floor height, and the rod above second floor is 0.4 times and 0.6 times, and the lap length as per the 16 dia 475 will be go below the second floor. C3 is over. Now we are going to C4. What C4 is saying? So you see, in this C4, this is C4, in this C4 14 number of 20 dia is there. You see, 14 number of 20 dia here. So 8 number of 20 was there. Out of 8 number of 20, only 4 numbers of 20 is going continuous. So 4 number of 20. So C4, there is no curtail rods. Take out the curtail rods. And in the continuous rod, 4 number of 20 is the continuous rod. First floor height is 3 meter, second floor height is 3 meter as usual, first floor, second floor, and lap length. And any other continuous rod is there in this? There is no continuous rod other than these 4 rods. All rest of the all other rods are 20 dia rods only, but those rods are all full rods from the first floor level. So out of 4 rod, if it is gone out of 14, remaining 10 rods are there. In this 10 rods also continuous full rods from additional rods. These are all additional rods. There is no continuous rod, that's why that is 0. And this is 3000 meter. This is 0. This is 1, column number 1 1. Out of 10 rod, 5 longer rod, 5 shorter rod. Die of rod is 16. Die of rod is 16. Change this cell into white. And this is first floor height is 3 meter. First floor height is 3 meter. Second floor height is 3 meter. And the rod below first floor is, this is first floor height, and this is also first floor height. Rod above second floor is 0.6 and 0.4 times of second floor height, and lap length as per the 16 dia is 475. So now C4 is over. Next go to C5. So C5 is, you see here also two types of rod is there, 4 number of 20 and 14 number of 16. Here you see this out of 14 number of 20, so only 4 number of 20 is going up. So 4 number of 20 is the continuous rod. Remove the curtail rods from the C5, and continuous rod is, number of rod column is 1, number of rods are 4, dia of rod is 20, first floor height is 3 meter, second floor 3 meter, as usual rods below second floor, rods above second floor, and lap length. And what is the other continuous rod over here? There is other rods also having continuous rod. This 14 number of 16, you see, so this 1 2 3 4 5, these 5 rods are going to be continuous. In here you see, this is the 16. Now this 16 has been these are the 20 dia rods, and the 20 dia rod also has to be curtailed over here. And this is the out of 14 dia rods, 5 rods are continuous rod as per the below column. This 5 rods are going to continuous. Five rods of 16 dia, first floor height is 3 meter, and second floor as it is same. And what are the additional rods over here? And these are the additional rods, longer rods. Number of column is 1, and additional rods. In this additional rods are you see the green color what I have marked is, those are additional rods. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So out of 14, 5 is continuous rod, 9 rods are additional rod. You see here, these are the additional rods. 9 out of 9, 5 plus 4 I am taking. 5 is a longer and 4 is a shorter. Dia of rod is 16. Change this cell into white color, and first floor height is 3 meter, and the rod below second floor is first floor height and first floor height. Rod above second floor is 0.4 and 0.6 times of second floor height, and lap length as per the 16 is 475. So now we have completed from column number C2 to C5. I am taking one more example of 25 dia rod column, for that is C61. We have did already in the previous class. For that column I am showing you in the C61. So see, the C61 column is 8 number of 25 and 8 number of 20 in the ground floor level. Now that is changed into out of 8 plus 8 here changed into 12 numbers of 25. So all the 20 dia rods got curtailed in the first floor level. Now total 25 dia rods of 12 number is there. So out of 12 numbers, 4 number is continuously coming from the first floor level, and all other rods are added in the first ground floor level itself, means before ground floor level concreting. So this rod we have added, so that's why we don't want to take any additional rod in this column, because this rod also become continuous rod because we have added earlier. So that's why all the 12 numbers of 25 dia rods will become continuous over here. So then in the Excel sheet what you have to do, so all the curtail rods to be taken out, and this continuous rod 1 number of column and 12 numbers of 25 dia, and this first floor height is 3 meter and the second floor height is 3 meter, and the rod below second floor is zero point 0.4 times of first floor height, and rod above second floor is 0 0.6 times of second floor, and this is the lap length for the below lapping rod. So here at lap length has to be come to lap it in the below lap, and there is no more details will come in this column. Only one line itself we can complete all the column dia quantities over here. So like this you people have to practice for all the remaining columns. Though this is also very easy to do calculation of this first floor column. The next floor column is typical floor column. So I will explain you in the next class. So please practice this explained in the today class. If you want this drawings and Excel sheet for your practice, just contact to this number and email ID. I will share with you these drawings for your practice, and I hope you people have liked this video. Kindly subscribe if you are not subscribed, like and share with your friends, let them practice. And if you have any comments, please comment in the comment box. Thank you very much.